I got 8 kids. And people be like, why you clean? You got 8 kids. Because my kids don't clean like I do. So let's get this kitchen in order. Just looking at that. You want me to clean the kitchen?
Yeah.
If I give you water?
Yeah.
I wonder sometimes, am I the only weirdo that has a dishwasher but still wash dishes by hand? Like I don't have a dishwasher. But I don't know why, but washing dishes for me is so therapeutic. It's so satisfying. I like to think about my day or just think about certain things that I'm going to be doing with my day when I'm washing the dishes. And I feel like I'm using less water, but I'm not too sure. Do the dishwasher use less water or do I use less water when I wash dishes?
It's a brighter in the house.
Yelling.
Okay, Mom. Okay. What the? It don't. Again.
Big time. Hopefully I can get that 4 a.m. shift again. If I can grab that again. Give me your scanner.